Hi, Kaden. What are we doing today?
I'm done cereal.
Are we doing another cereal challenge?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, what robots are we using? Can you tell me?
That one. That one's off.
Oh, okay, but you can turn it on. But what are the robots we're using?
This is called fall.
Which one is this one?
A 761.
Oh, this is 761? And what's this one? The middle one.
About to smart thing.
All right, what's that one?
671.
Nice. Okay. Are you ready to dump the cereal?
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Dump it all out.
I do it?
Yep, dump it all right there.
I do it?
By the way, this is old cereal that we crushed up.
I
Old
do it?
Chex.
I do it?
Yep. You gotta kind of spread it out too, buddy.
It's empty.
Oh boy.
It's empty.
Okay, spread it out a little bit. Not too bad.
God, what is this? I can eat it?
No, you don't eat it.
Just spread it out? No.
Yeah, just spread it out a little more. Let's see how well they do. Are you ready to start them?
Yes.
All right.
I done?
Yep. Get ready to start them. Go. All right.
It's not getting it. Okay. I did it.
No, just okay. Whoa.
I got the bin.
Not yet. You gotta wait a little bit. Where's Thistle going? It's totally avoiding. So like I'm gonna go around this.
I see the dustbin.
Not yet. Let it suck up some more. Whoa, that Roomba is totally dominating. Hey, you didn't.
I dumped it.
Is there a lot already?
Yeah.
That's not very much. You could have wait. Ah. Ooh. All right, go ahead. Put it back in. Let them go for a little while before you dump them, okay?
Let's do this one.
Just put it over here. Put it on the pile. Yeah, it's totally avoiding all the cereal things. Put it on the pile.
What?
Aw. The spinner isn't even spinning.
I see that thing.
Oh, Thistle.
No, just move it.
In a little bit.
Come on.
All right, put it on the pile. How much did it get? Oh, it's about halfway.
Yeah, I dump it.
I guess so. But let's let them go a little longer before you dump it.
Oh, see that? Oh my God! I dropped it.
Oh my gosh. You are way too eager to empty these dustbins. Uh-oh. Our kitty might be interested in eating this stuff. Uh-oh. Out of there.
Open the dustbin.
All right, check it.
I can't open it.
Oh.
I can't
stuck?
do it.
Okay.
I can't do it. You can help me push up on there. You just put that down. Okay. Here you go. That's pretty
Oh, that's totally packed. Nice job. Look at that. Whoa. Our cats are totally confused. Be careful you're not spreading it under the fridge, Cade.
Oh.
don't you do spot clean?
Okay. Do some new buttons.
Yeah, sure.
Oh my god!
Gosh.
Gosh.
Oh.
Okay. That's fine. We haven't done this stuff.
Literally 30 seconds and it cooked up all that. Pretty awesome. Wow.
Okay. That's fine.
Who do you think it would be the winner? It's definitely got to be one of the Roombas, right?
Oh, that was the winner.
You think so?
Yes, look at that one. That was a big ball.
Which model is that?
It's 751.
Oh, okay.
And then it's 671.
Oh. All right. So even though we're not really dumping it out in the trash, you kind of understand